All right, so this is a how-to, how to connect with me. I'm going to do a couple things so you can understand. I went over some of this with the class, but hopefully this will answer some questions before you need to ask me. So here we have LA Unified Clever.com. Most of your students should know how to get to this. Once they get to this page, clever.com, they're going to click on that symbol, and if they are logged into their Chromebook, they should come up to this. Now, what's important here is this one here. Again, I'll go back to show you again. I like to heart it so that it shows up at the top. It's called Benchmark at Education, and it's going to bring them to this page here. And you can go to Library, and it has a right up here it says ebook. Now, ebooks allow you to go on all of these books, and that's great. You can click on your grade level. I'm a 5th grade teacher, and it gives you some books that are 5th grade level. Feel free to read any of those. If the kids say, oh, I don't have a book, there's plenty of books here for them. Now, what I assigned for class was in one of the booklets that the kids get, and what you need to do to see that booklet, again, is to go to this where it says ebook and go to Benchmark Advance. And again, I'm going to mark 5th grade. And the two books that I gave out were this one, Up Against the Wild, and Water, Facts and Fiction. If you didn't get any one of these because you were absent, or if you happen to lose one, this is a place that you can find it. So I can click on that. You can either put yes here or no, it doesn't matter either way. I'm going to put no, and I'm going to go ahead and look forward. This is the way you change pages. This is the exact replica of the book. Now, the neat thing about this is if you want, you can have them read it to you. Let me see what the volume must be down.
As you read.
Androcles and the Lion by Aesop.
So you see the yellow is covering.
Androcles, an escaped slave, comes face to face with a man-eating lion 2 times in this story. How will he survive this life-threatening situation?
Okay, so that's how you get into some of these books if you happen to lose them or otherwise. But you can always annotate.
Back in the days of the Roman Empire, a slave...
You're going to annotate on the real book. There is a way to write here with the tools. If you want to do that, that's fine. Remember to save it though. Right now it's in present mode, so it wouldn't save it, I believe. So just be cautious that some of this stuff might disappear if you come back, like write something and then go away, come back and see if it's still there. And if it's not, then it's not working. Just use a real book. Annotation is good always. But this is basically a tutorial on how to get into the book. Again, so once you go, make sure you're on Benchmark Advance here. Choose your grade level. And Up Against the Wild and Water, Fact and Fiction is what I gave out. So those are the ones. If you want to read an ebook, just make sure you're on ebooks. Again, grade level specific. You can go 5th grade. All right, so that's how you get onto that through Clever. There's a lot of things you can do here. Amplified, if you want to go to the science and look at some of those things as well. That's basically all we're working on. Now, the other thing we're going to be doing is if perchance you didn't bring one of your volumes home of My Math, there is a way in my link page. Or right here, it also has it. connectmcgraw-hill.com/LAUSD. Okay, this is just for my class, so please, if you're not from my class, don't enter this. You won't be able to get into it. But once you click on that, let me show you exactly what happens. It might show you. It even says My Math. This is, I set it up for social studies, but it is actually the My Math as well. You might want to make sure if you're in the magnet that you choose the second one. All right, and there we have it. We have our My Math Grade 5. You have the book. You click launch. It will launch it. You want the ebook over here. You can put the page number down at the bottom. Down here, I think I'm not 100% sure. Let me actually check what page I gave out for the first one. Page 11. I told the kids they can do any of the pages that were there, so I'm just going to type in page 11. And it will jump right to the page or right near the page. Place value. So it has all this information. You can do it on your book. There's an audio icon, so there's probably a way for you to play it. Oops, there it is. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's not what I want. So I'm not going to even worry about that. But there are some videos. Go ahead and use them. Whatever it has, go ahead and use it. Now, I'm going to send this, okay? These are all reviews, but I am also going to be doing our Eureka Math. I'll be doing the videos just like I always do, showing the videos, and hopefully you'll do the Eureka Math. That's priority. My Math is only secondary if you didn't have the book, and there'll be a couple pages that you get to choose in My Math for some of the days that we're out. All right, let's see, what else? So I went through My Math, and with Language Arts, Benchmark, or clever.org. Again, over here on the right side for this person, they have the Google Classroom. Remember that Google Classroom will be where I will send you work. Make sure you go into my classroom, Magnetic Force 2019. Don't forget to go up to classwork and check out what's there. Reading works. There's some things for you to do there. For instance, today we did the Hollow. We read the Hollow, and then they took the quiz with the code. It's right there for the code. So the Hollow, they took the quiz with the code, and that way I can see that they're doing it. We have the Empty Pot. That's a writing assignment that they're working on and should be finishing up within the 2 weeks. I will be sending videos of the Empty Pot, me reading it and talking about it a little bit. Okay, but this is again Google Classroom. Once you click on it, make sure you go up to classwork. Right there will be the post. So here it says posted via quiz, posted assignment, the Hollow. So it does show it here, but to make sure that you know what's next, you can also go through here and check the dates. No date due, but it doesn't say the date. Sorry, I thought it showed what date it showed up. All right, so hopefully that's helpful. I hope to see you all back healthy and ready to go and complete as much as you can. I understand that this is something new for everyone. Just do your best. All right. Talk to you later. May the force be with you. All right, there is actually one more thing I want to point out. Right here, this person is on a different site, our Google Classroom, and what you can do if you need help. I will be available from 8 a.m. to about 3 p.m. I'm not going to be available like on the minute, but there is a way for you to contact me. I'm going to go ahead and enable it, and you're going to see what happens to the screen. This is for your information to send to me, please. Please only use this to ask questions of me with for academic questions. Like, I don't understand this page, or I don't understand this. All right? So I'm going to enable talking, or excuse me, let me enable chatting, and you should see a change up or down at the bottom left hand side. right here. You see this little button here? This button means that I'm online. So you can contact me. Okay, so this button means I'm online and you can contact me. So you're going to click on that when you need some help. This window will come out. It's Magnetic Force 2019. All right. And you type out, I need help. I can't see right now. I'm stretching myself. Need help with question 4. All right. And then you send that away. Okay. And then I will see that message and send something back to you. And that will pop up. Let's see right here that I sent you something. So you click on that. Let's look at it together. It's what I responded. So that's where you can chat with me when I'm online. Again, I will not be at your at the ready every single minute. I might be helping somebody else, so just bear with me. Or I might have to get up the actual page that you're working on so you understand it, so I understand what your problem is a little bit. So I won't be looking at the same thing, so give me a chance to open it up or help somebody else, and then I'll come back to you. But that's how you chat with me. I will have that on from 8 o'clock to 3 p.m.-ish, 8 a.m. to about 3 p.m. So be looking out for that, and that's the way to chat with me to do your work.